This microphone is supposed to make your audio sound very professional-like. Yes. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Giving Chills here, aka Nash. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you. On this channel, we review tech products, gaming products, software, and all sorts of stuff that related to tech. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a microphone from a company called Comica. This is the VM20 from Comica. It's a shotgun microphone that works with DSLR and with iPhone support, which is really, really cool actually for a shotgun microphone. So I'm really excited to take a look at this baby. This is currently selling around $129 off of Amazon. If you're interested in this microphone, I'll leave all the links down below in the description. There's also links for all our social media, the Discord server, and my Twitch channel. Before we go anywhere, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you haven't yet, and thank you for watching again. Without further ado, let's open up this microphone, check it out, and see how it works. Let's go. Test, is the microphone working? Okay guys, so right now you're listening to me through the Comica VM20 microphone. I don't know if you can hear me really well. I'm gonna take the card out, listen to the audio here in a bit. As you can see in that shot, there's two indicators at the top. The main indicator is the low cut filter. So if you need a low cut filter, you have an option of 75 and 150. The other knob on there is basically the gain control. You have from 1 up to 10. This is gain at 0, gain going up, all the way up. Can you hear me? All the way up. This is gain at maximum level. So currently I have the gain at 4, which I don't know if that's good or bad. We're gonna test that in a second. Let's do a background noise test, going in 1, 2, 3, and go. We're going to be also testing how the audio sounds from different angles. So right now I'm straight ahead in the middle of it. Let me turn around and go different places and we'll test it from there. The left side, 1, 2, 3, can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, can you hear me? Awesome. Let's test the low cut filter. Right this second, the low cut filter is set to 75. And now the low cut filter is set at 150. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this video out. I'm gonna put it in my computer.
Did you bring in my Amazon package?
There we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna take this card out. I'm gonna put it in my computer, listen to the audio, and we'll let you guys know what I think in just about 2 minutes. Be right back. Alright guys, so I just listened to the audio on the computer. It is crisp as it gets. The audio sounds amazing. This microphone is obviously high quality, made with some love and gentle touch. I don't know what I'm saying. Either way, you heard the audio in the microphone. It sounds really good. It picks up barely any noise, but still sounds super crisp from all angles that we tested it, and from a distance of 3 to 4 feet right now. The low cut filter is really cool feature for different kind of voices if you need to test that out, and the feature of controlling the gain on the microphone is actually a really cool feature that not a lot of shotgun mics come with. So yeah, that was the Comica VM20. Thank you for watching this video. All the links are down below in the description. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. I will do my best to respond to all of them. And again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and bye.
Bye.
Bye.